As example, we have the value of y, is directly proportional with x. If y equals 100 when x equals 2, what will be the value of x when y equals 25? So again, first thing we want to do is mark our text. So we have y is directly proportional with x. Directly proportional is the same thing as varies directly. So that's still going to imply division. I'm going to box directly proportional. That is divided by x. So I have if y is equal to 100 when x equals to 2, what will be the value of x? So this is our unknown when y equals 25. All right, so I went ahead and marked my text. Based off what I just did up here, I'm able to identify my numerator and denominator. So I have y divided by x. All right, so now I can set up my proportion. So here I have if y is 100, so we notice here I have my y at the top. So if that's equal to 100, when that x is 2, so I have to put that at the bottom because that's where my x is. It says what will be the value of x? So what will be the value of x? X is at the bottom, so I'm going to actually put the x here. When y equals 25. So my y values are at the top. All right, so I went ahead and set up my proportion. And so in this case, for step 4, you notice we have 3 numbers here. All right, so this next portion says we can cross multiply or do that butterfly method that most of you guys are familiar with from like elementary school or something like that. So we're essentially going to take these 2 numbers, so 25 times 2, and then we're going to divide by that extra number. All right, so we're going to do 25 times 2. So I can plug that into my calculator. 25 times 2 is 50. So that's, that's 50. And then I'm going to divide that by 100. Move it here. So I'm going to take that 50. So 50 divided by 100. And so again, I'm going to click on the circle fraction and I get 1/2. So I'm going to get 1/2. So then I'm able to see here that it should be my answer choice A. So most of you guys are probably familiar with just doing, let me erase this real quick. And let me change the pen, which is doing this here. So that's your butterfly method. So the same thing, it's doing 25 times 2 and then dividing by, let's delete all this. So 2 times 25 equals 100x. You get 50 equals 100. And then I can divide both sides by 100. This may be a little bit more complicated, but essentially we'll still get 1/2 equals to x. So I pretty much showed you 2 different forms. Your teacher may actually show you a much simpler way. So just look at what they're going to be presenting to you guys, or just look at either form and see what's easier for you guys to work with. But essentially, again, you're just doing that butterfly method to get your answer.